our esteemed guests, teachers, parents, stakeholders, fellow graduates of class 2026, and friends, good afternoon. Today is not just a date on the calendar. It is a milestone carved in our memories. It is a day filled with sweet sorrow, the joy of achieving our first big step, and the sadness of saying goodbye to the rules that witnessed our growth. As we celebrate this important milestone, we are reminded of our theme. Filipino graduates prepare to lead with competence and character. This theme reminds us that being a graduate is not only about being smart or finishing school. It is about becoming responsible, kind, hardworking, and ready to help others. It means using what we have learned to make our families, communities, and our country proud. It is a promise of who we are becoming. For 6 years, this institution has been our second home. It has been a place where we didn't just learn how to read, write, and calculate. We learned how to dream. We were molded by our teachers to possess competence, the knowledge and skills to navigate the complexities of high and beyond. We learned to be resilient when lessons were difficult to be. And more importantly, our school anchored us in character. We learned that being a Filipino graduate means more than just having high grades. It means having a pusong mamamayan, part of a citizen, being compassionate, respectful, and honest. Our teachers taught us that true leadership isn't about being the loudest voice in the room. It is about serving others with integrity. To our beloved teachers, maraming salamat po. You did not just teach from the books. You taught us lessons in real life. Thank you for your patience, for believing in us when we doubted ourselves, and for helping us to be responsible, productive, and skilled individuals. To our parents and guardians, especially to my mommy and daddy, this milestone is yours as much as this is ours. Thank you. Unconditional love, without lunches, the help with assignments, and the sacrifice you made us. Today, we hope to make you proud by showing you that we are ready to take. We are ready to take on the next stage of our academic journey. My fellow graduates, as we leave this school, we face a future that needs us. The world awaits for our brilliance, our kindness, and our courage. We are not just leaders of tomorrow, we are the leaders of today. Let us bring with us the values of perseverance, resourcefulness, and compassion that define us as Filipinos. Let us promise to continue our education with passion to stand tall with upright character. Wherever our path may lead, let us remember where we started and always strive to make a positive difference in the world. Though we say farewell to our elementary days, the memories, lessons, and friendship we built here will remain in our hearts forever. Good luck to all of us, and may we